This is New Vision International School, Computer Department. This lesson is for grade 8, chapter 42, Photoshop Photo Editing. Lesson 4, pages 70 and 71. Be prepared with your book, your computer or your laptop, your pencil, and a copybook. The objectives of our lesson is using all the tools learned to create a virtual form. Till now, how many tools which we have done in our class? We will use all the tools in our new project for our new lesson.
How to change an image from RGB to CMYK. For your file to be print ready, you must convert your image to CMYK. When you open an image in Photoshop, the default color mode is usually RGB. To check, go to the Image menu, select Mode, and as you can see, it is already RGB, but it needs to be CMYK to print. So, change it to CMYK. Now you're good to go and you're one step closer to your sticker. Thank you for watching.
This is the revision for your previous lesson, which was creating the image from RGB mode to CMYK. In the same way, you can do converting an image to a sepia mode or a grayscale mode or an image to a two-tone mode. Now turn over page number 70. Project 4. Number 1. Open image. You can use any image which is already in your computer, or you can Google it from your drive. Use crop size to 1200 pixels into 900 pixels per inch. Number 2, add 40 pixels to canvas over the 4 borders. Now what you have to do, you will use the picture and add 40 pixels to canvas over the 4 borders. All over the borders you have to add the 40 pixels to the canvas. Number 3, fill in the added canvas with the red color. Now add the color as red, or what the color you want to choose, you can add any other color. Number 4, open any 8 images. Now in our lesson I used all the 8 images from your book, but you can use any images from your computer or the images you like. Number 5, use the appropriate selection tool. Select each animal and to place it on the green valley image as shown on the pictures. Now in this selection, what you have to do, that you will use the selection tool to select the picture, and then you will crop it down and place the picture into another picture. Number 6, use the Ctrl+T command to reduce the size of each paste element. Now we have already done the Ctrl+T command for reducing the size of the picture or increasing the size of the picture in our previous lessons. And at the last, what you have to do, that you will add the title virtual form and apply a yellow stroke to it. Whole project. Now these are 8 pictures which I have used from your book, but you can use any picture from your drive. Steps to follow. To review the steps of cropping an image, download the PDF or watch the tutorial from the link which I have already given in the lesson for YouTube. Number 1. Execute the command edit stroke. Number 2. Apply a red stroke with 1 pixel's thickness. Now you can see on the right side of the picture the picture number 2, which is showing you the red color, that how you will apply the edit stroke and with the red color. If you want to choose another color of your choice, you can choose. Number 3. Execute the command image canvas size. Now you will go to the menu again and you will choose the command image then canvas size. Number 4. Add 80 pixels to both the width and the height. Now again you will go to the menu and then you will choose a canvas size as 80 pixels to both the height and the width. The height and width are already written on the menu and you will just write down over there 80 pixels. These all steps we already done in our class. Steps to follow. Number 5. This is page number 71. Now what you will do, you will select the lasso tool, select the color red, then click in the edit form. Now you can see the picture that how it is transferred into another color with the red one and the black border. When you will choose the image canvas size and you will add the 80 pixels, then the next step will be that you will use the lasso tool and then select the color red, then click in the edit form, then color will be added as red. Now look at the result. This is very easy to work on your computer in Adobe Photoshop. Only 5 steps you will done and you will have the picture like this. Now on page number 71, next topic will be selecting images with no background. Now you can see that every picture have a background. I have chosen a dog picture over here, and if you can see that the dog picture have the white background. Now I want to change the background in any other color. So which tool we will use? Now go to the steps. Select the magic wand tool and then click on the white area. Now you can see on the right side that I have selected the magic wand tool. You can see on your Photoshop editor that where is the magic wand tool. Now execute the command select inverse. On number 2, the picture is over here. When you will select the select menu, then you will find over there the inverse tool. Click over there, then execute command edit copy. Then of course we will do the pasting. Then open the valley image, the previous image which we have done with the image canvas size. We will paste this dog picture over there. Now you can see that when you will press the picture over there, that you cannot see any other background with the white color, because with the magic wand tool we have already cleared all the background. The picture is only selected the dog's picture, and we will pass that picture on the background. Now press Ctrl T and hold the Shift key to maintain image proportionality. Now if you want to change the size of the picture, then you can use the Ctrl T command with the Shift key, and you can resize the picture as you want. If you want to a big picture or a small picture, then you can just change the size with the pressing of Ctrl T. Now select move tool to place dog to correct position. Now on page number 71, you will see the next topic, selecting images with a color background. Now previously we have done with the images with no background, and in this topic what we are going to do, that we will select the images with a color background. To select an image with a color background, select the magnetic lasso tool. On the right side you can see that there is a magnetic lasso tool. Just go over there on the menu and then select the magnetic lasso tool. Number 2 is move the mouse all around the path of the element to be selected. Now you will use the mouse and select the area which you want to be put on the virtual form image. Number 3, execute the command edit copy and then paste it on your green valley image. Now in the same way, if you want to put the images with no background or with the color background, you can just copy the images with the lasso tool or with the magic wand tool, and then you can paste it on the virtual form image. If you want to scale the images, then press Ctrl T. Now scaling the image means that if you want to change the size of the images, then you can use the Ctrl T command and then transfer the image size and then paste it on your virtual form. Like the birds or the butterflies are over here, you can use the smaller size, and if you want to bigger size animals like lion and the dog, then you can change the size with the Ctrl T command. Now select the move tool to place images on their positions. This is the whole lesson for today. I hope that you understand it. Thank you.